You watch someone swear he saw bags of cash worth POM 0.68 billion. And now that same person is taking it all back. So ano ba talaga ang nangyari dito at bakit ngayon pa? Orly Gutesa made headlines when he accused former Speaker Romualdez of receiving those bags of cash. That's not pocket money. That's a billion peso claim on record sa harap ng lahat. Pero ngayon, biglang nagbago ang isip niya. He formally recanted, which means he is officially withdrawing everything he said before. No new evidence offered, no clear explanation given for the flip. Wala. Just never mind. Here's what that means. The accusation existed, it was loud, it was specific, and now the person who made it is saying it didn't happen. When someone recants without explaining why, that question of motive becomes the whole story. Kung gusto mong malaman kung sino pa ang nagtatago ng kung ano, subscribe. May ganito kaming ilalabas araw-araw. Because the bags he swore he saw, biglang wala na raw.